Good morning. My name is Elizabeth Bullard, and today is September 10th, 2025. I'll be presenting an executive briefing on the role of IT foundations, emerging technologies, data resource management, and network systems, and cloud services in shaping business strategy. My example is Capital Workspaces, an independent co-working company. I will also highlight key lessons learned that leaders can apply to strengthen organizational performance. For any co-working company, the IT foundation is not simply infrastructure, it is a competitive advantage. At Capital Workspaces, secure high-speed connectivity, reliable Wi-Fi, and access systems ensure that members can operate seamlessly. At the same time, industry learning reminds us that IT foundations must continuously evolve. Professionals and organizations alike must stay vigilant about emerging trends, adapting skills and structures to keep pace. For Capital Workspaces, this means regularly upgrading its network capacity, integrating digital access tools, and ensuring its IT staff are trained to manage new technologies. The executive takeaway is that an IT foundation isn't static. It's a strategic asset that requires ongoing investment to stay relevant and competitive. Charles Darwin's words resonate in today's digital era. It is not the strongest of the species that survive, nor the most intelligent, but the one most responsive to change. This idea applies directly to emerging technologies in business. Capital Workspaces operates in an industry where automation, AI, and digital platforms are reshaping how people work. Technology is now able to handle not just routine tasks, but also functions requiring reasoning. For some, this raises concerns about whether technology will replace people. But the greater opportunity lies in freeing people from repetitive work so they can focus on creativity, innovation, and collaboration. For executives, the message is clear. Adaptability is the new competitive advantage. Companies that integrate emerging technologies into their operations don't diminish human contribution, they amplify it. For Capital Workspaces, investing in innovation solutions like smart booking systems or hybrid collaboration tools enhances the client experience while enabling staff to focus on higher value services. Databases are at the heart of corporate computing. They provide the ability to store, retrieve, and analyze critical information that powers decision-making. In fact, the database industry is dominated by relational systems such as Oracle, IBM, and Microsoft, which remain essential tools for managing everything from finances to office equipment inventories. At Capital Workspaces, effective data resource management means capturing and analyzing member activity, such as room bookings, Wi-Fi usage, and billing data. Executives can use these insights to refine pricing, allocate resources, and improve the customer experience. But managers must also understand both the strengths and weaknesses of the tools they use. A poorly designed database can limit performance and frustrate users, while a well-structured one provides agility and competitive insight. For leaders, the takeaway is that data isn't simply a byproduct of operations, it is a strategic resource. Understanding how to manage it effectively allows companies like Capital Workspaces to optimize services while safeguarding the trust of their clients. Over 2 decades ago, people had access to computer networks. Today, networking is an essential part of global infrastructure, supporting planning, production, marketing, billing, and nearly every aspect of organizational operations. For Capital Workspaces, robust network systems are the foundation of service delivery. Secure, segmented Wi-Fi and firewalls allow dozens of independent businesses to share one space while maintaining data privacy. This is more than a utility. It directly influences client trust and satisfaction. Cloud adoption extends this value. With cloud-based billing, reservations, and CRM, Capital Workspaces gains real-time visibility into operations and the scalability to expand services without being tied to expensive legacy systems. Strategically, networks and cloud services improve efficiency, support collaboration, and evaluate decision-making. For executives, the implication is clear. Investing in strong network infrastructure and cloud platforms is a sustainable strategy that strengthens both current performance and long-term adaptability. From analyzing both business practice and academic learning, several lessons emerge for executives. Number 1, IT foundations must evolve. Professionals and organizations must remain agile, continually updating skills and structures to stay competitive. Number 2, adaptability is the ultimate advantage. Darwin's principle reminds us that responsiveness to change is more important than size or strength. Number 3, data is capital. Databases provide critical insights, but only if managers understand their tools and use them effectively. Number 4, networks and cloud services drive sustainability. They improve efficiency, enable collaboration, and enhance the quality of executive decision-making. At Capital Workspaces, these lessons reinforce that IT strategy and business strategy are inseparable. Lifelong learning, remaining watchful of trends, updating skills, and aligning IT with organizational needs is essential for sustainable growth. In conclusion, Capital Workspaces demonstrates how even an independent co-working company can leverage IT foundations, innovation, data, and cloud services to compete effectively. For executives, the message is clear. Technology must be treated as a dynamic, evolving enabler of competitive advantage. Organizations that stay alert to emerging trends and invest in learning at every level will lead in the digital economy. Thank you.